Psychopath!
Sup everyone. We have very exciting news, as Sycamore Mall has gotten a huge expansion. It has a crap ton of, well, crap. Various shops and restaurants such as Ear Pizza, God Faraday's Pizza, McDarley's, Lucky Feathers, etc. Even an indoor theme park. And peeps and poops. Hey, that's just the bathroom sign. Shut up, I haven't got time right now. Sorry about that, but make sure y'all go there.
Hey, I remember a dream I had where me and Wingo-chan robbed that place and set it on fire. Just imagine how fun it would be to go on a real massive murdering massacre.
Keep dreaming, you.
Whatever. I guess I'll go without her. What the hell is going on here, T50? What are you doing? Chillax bro, I'm just going for a little joyride. Get out of my thunder van. Hey, get back here you shithead. Twisted cops, what seems to be the problem here? T50 just got into my thunder van and took off at full speed. I need you to come pick me up so we can chase after him together. Okay, though usually I don't pick someone up in my cop car unless it's a criminal. Hey, you played that. Anyways, don't worry. I'm on my way. Alright, thank God. Alright, after him. Hold. I order you to hold. Nice try, but my car is laser-proof. Hey, I have an idea. Drive up next to P50 so I can break through the window and beat his ass. That sounds pretty badass to me.
Surprise, motherfucker!
Ooh, this is gonna be good. No, not my thunder van. Jeez, that was intense. Now I've lost my thunder van for f***'s sake. At least P50 is surely dead. No, you survived. How? I've said it before and I'll say it again. You fools can't get rid of me that easily. All I did was simply jump out of the van before it made it onto the ramp. I cannot believe this. First you blow up a movie theater, now a shopping mall. This is insane. Stop this madness. No way man, it's part of the show's name. Shut the f*** up. Okay T50. Time to take you out like I did back in 2018. Do I look scared to you?
Yeah, I'm not buying that statement you just said.
No one is.
Looks like he just BS pissed himself.
Nice one TBTG.
Afternoon all. We have some pretty shocking and unfortunate news. As a large part of Sycamore Mall was destroyed, after a van suddenly crashed through the roof and blew up. Luckily, no one I care about was hurt. It seems P50's been up to no good again. I'm not surprised.
Those poor sirens that way on didn't give a shit about.
Well, I'm sure it could have been worse. P50 could have used a nuke.